Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you a simple beauty concoction that you can use every day to disappear all your dark spots, to get crystal clear, poreless, tight and young skin. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. So to prepare, you need less than half apple. Grate the apple. Apple powerful antioxidant and vitamin C properties help fight dark spots, dullness and premature aging. Next thing that you need is the cooling cucumber. Take 1/4 of cucumber. Grate the cucumber. Cucumber is a natural estrogen that helps shrink pores. Rich in minerals and vitamins, it keeps your complexion clear, smooth and dark spots at bay. So gently press the grated cucumber and apple to extract the fresh juice out. Now the next thing is optional. If you have dry and sensitive skin, then you can skip this step. So add around 4 to 5 drops of lemon juice. And finally add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. If you don't have glycerin, you can add 6 to 7 drops of honey. Glycerin moisturizes your skin and it leaves your skin looking softer, smoother and younger. And also I want to share with you a skin detoxifying beauty salad using the leftovers. So do not throw away the leftover. Just put the grated apple and cucumber into a bowl. Then add some fresh lemon juice, some soaked chana and green moong. So these are not sprouted. If you have sprouted moong and chana, you can add it. Then add some chili, chopped ginger, black salt and mix well and enjoy your delicious beauty salad. Have it as an afternoon snack for weight loss and for clear beautiful skin. Now coming to the beauty part, so with the help of a cotton pad, apply this beauty concoction on your face. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse off with cool water followed by your favorite moisturizer. So within a week of usage, you will notice a significant improvement. Your spots will appear lighter, your skin more clear than before, bright, young and smooth pores. This simple treatment will keep your skin looking and feeling best during summer. So friends, give it a try and share your results with me. Thanks everyone. Take care and bye.